How to recover Snapchat account without email. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to recover your Snapchat account without using your email. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the method 1, that is to recover using your phone number. So here, if your account is linked to a phone number, then you can recover it easily. So here, just open the Snapchat app, and now here you can just tap on login, and after that you can just tap on forget your password option, and after that on the pop-up menu you can just select via phone, and after that you can enter your phone number and choose SMS verification, and there you can just enter the verification code you receive, and after that you can just tap on create a new password, and there you can just create a new password, and now you should be able to access your account again. And with that, moving forward to the method 2, that is to use your username. So here, if you don't remember your email, then on the login screen you can simply enter your Snapchat username, and after that you can just tap on forget your password, and there you can just choose via phone for the phone verification to reset it. And with that, moving forward to the method 3, that is to contact the Snapchat support. So here, if you don't have access to your email or phone number, then you may need to contact support. So here, what you can do is you can just go to the Snapchat support website. So here, just go to the Snapchat support website. And now here, once you are inside the website, what you can do is you can just scroll down, and there you can just tap on I can't access my account. And after that, on the next page, you can simply fill out the form with your username and account details as prompted, and after that you can simply submit the request and wait for response. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.